everyone! Okay, so really excited about the item I got in the mail today. It is the new loom toppers for the rotating double knit loom by KB Looms. Here. So, here is the original double knit loom. Here is the new one. Let's see if it tells me number of pegs. It doesn't right on there. Okay. This one was made due to request. And I'll show you the differences between this one and this one. Now, this is just the topper. So you see these things, you push those, take these two looms off, and then you replace them with these. And as you can see, this is bigger and they've kind of indented it some so that instead of having to make a completely different loom, all you need is the one base and you can use both. Oh, there you go. You can see there's a pretty significant size difference. And I want to say this one is 60 pegs. Yes. So this is 60 pegs on the inside and outside. And show you some other changes. On the inside loom, actually on both looms, yes. The front and back of all the pegs have slits in them. So if I want, I can use this one by itself and make hats or something or whatever it is I want to make. I don't have to double knit with it. And I still have the option of using this one for, you know, hats and stuff that's not double knit. So that's really cool. Which, another thing I love this loom. Here's my current project, which some of the really nice things, of course this can be done on this new one, and it actually can be done even wider. It could be done probably about that wide. Ooh. It'd be a really nice wrap. But as you can see, I didn't use all of that, and I done it flat, which my video, the PDF and video and all that information for this pattern is in the video description below. Now, all the information about these looms is also in the video description below, so where you can direct links to the website for this one and this one. I really like the idea of this and cannot wait until this loom is empty so that I can start showing you guys some stuff that you can make with this. This is a really good idea and I'm excited about it. Okay guys, that's really all I've got for you. Hold up the instructions if you want to look at that. I'm not really going to read it, but you can pause it if you need to. There it goes. It shows the setup and everything. And then it has, what's the pattern for? Ooh, that is a pretty neck warmer. Oh, and it's double knit, so that'd be super warm. There, you have an idea, something you can make with it. Neck warmers that are a good size. Nice. Yay! I'm so excited to try this thing out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have the rotating looms, leave comments in the video description below so that other people will kind of see what everybody thinks of it. I absolutely love it. I've made all kinds of hats and scarves and stuff on this one already. A big hit for Christmas last year, by the way. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative and that it'll help you make a yay or nay decision on this loom. Hopefully it's yay because I think it's awesome. But that's up to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Turn on those notifications so that whenever new videos are released, you will get an email letting you know that I've got a new video out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a fantastic day.